To this point, we have a better understanding of what is HTML and why does it use for. Now in this video, we are going to see HTML in action. We will be creating our first page using HTML. We will learn how to save the file and then how to load on the browser. But before that, let's talk about the text editor you will be needed. Technically, you don't need any additional text editor for this. Your computer has already those. It's just a matter of preference. Personally, I love working using Sublime Text editor for this. And I will recommend you to download that. But still, it's just a matter of preferences. You may use any visual text editor. Now, if you are using Windows and do not want to download any additional text editor, then you can simply search for the Notepad in your search bar. And if you are using Mac, you may go for text edit. Alright, after setting everything, let's hop over to our text editor and write down our first HTML code. I will create a heading level, one element, and simply type hello world. And then close this tag. And now I will save this. But before that, let's create a folder on our desktop so that if any more file I will create, I will simply save in that folder to stay organized. I will name this folder HTML CSS. Now I will save this file in my HTML CSS folder and name this index.html. Remember the extension I gave to the file. You are going to save all the file with this extension because only this web browser knows that it's a web page. Now I will open this file with my Chrome browser. I will simply go to the folder and then I will open this file with the Google Chrome. You may also drag and drop this file into your browser. Now see the difference, what we write in our text editor and what the browser is showing us. You may think of it as a sandwich in which this is the first piece of bread and this is the another piece of bread. And inside the bread is the content. Browser only shows the content between them. Now this is the tag which is telling the browser that yeah, we want our heading to be of H1 type. There are 6 types of heading tag in HTML. Let me show you with an example. I will simply copy this line and paste it. Now I will remove this H1 with H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Similarly with the closing tag. Now let's just save this and run in our browser. Now if we make any changes to the file, we can simply refresh the browser. This is our H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Now I hope you got some basic idea about what HTML tags are. Now in the next video, we will see one more tag and a bulleted list.